Where do we start with this? It is absolutely beautiful, just in, direct from the last owner. Stunning example, £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. Mini Countryman John Cooper Works. 300 brake horsepower, 2 litre petrol engine, of course ALL4, which is 4-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic, facing the stunning Moonwalk metallic with the black contrast. It is absolutely outstanding all the way around. £2,000 worth of factory options, as I mentioned, full mini service history. Let's take you all the way around it. Superb spec and absolutely outstanding condition, as you'll see. So John Cooper Works, look at that, absolutely massive boot on these, beautifully clean. You got the folding rear seats, 3-load facility, lovely clean boot, not being abused, massive storage under there. Just look at this huge space under there, incredible. So lots of storage under there, out of the way. All the loading area totally unmarked, all the bumpers lovely and clean. Got rear parking sensors, rear camera, rear spoiler, chrome roof rails. Nice contrast with the black and grey. And of course you've got the black plastic wheel arch protectors as well. Gloss black alloy wheels, all of them absolutely perfect. We've not had these refurbished, this is how the cars come in. It's got the factory red calipers, Michelin cross climate tyres all the way around with plenty of tread all the way around on those. All down the sides, all the bodywork absolutely beautiful, no scratches, scrapes, dings, anything like that at all. Rear privacy glass, get a nice touch there with the badge. Got the black mirrors, again the wheel arch protectors all in perfect condition. Again close up of the front wheels, nice bit of embossing on the calipers as well. John Cooper Works. LED headlights and all across the front, lovely and clean. You might find a very odd tiny stone chip, but I've certainly not seen anything at all on the vehicle. It is just absolutely beautiful, and this is why we do the videos, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, full close-up of every part of the vehicle, give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Again all down the driver's side, lovely and clean, no dings, scrapes, scratches or anything, and the final wheel all absolutely perfect. Let's take you inside. Got a beautiful Alcantara trim there, lovely touch to that. Full black leather, again all that is absolutely unmarked, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. All the headlining in the other side absolutely perfect. Registered in 2020 on a 20 plate, keyless entry, keyless go. Again you've got the Alcantara trim with the door trims, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, bit of storage there, Harman Kardon stereo upgrade, front sport seats, got the adjustable just under your legs to get it exactly how you want it for comfort. All the upholstery again absolutely perfect. Nice Union Jack on the head restraints, leather multifunction steering wheel, beautiful inside, all the trim, the dashboards all unmarked, 25081 is the mileage. 25081, that's all it's done. Full mini service history. Next service not due till June 2026. Terrific sound system. Everything's all controlled from the menu there. Got satellite navigation. The whole full menu. Just scroll through that. Can display the power, the torque of the engine if you want the sports instrumentation. Navigation. Nice big clear map. Bluetooth phone connection. Of course, DAB radio. USB input. You can get the sound system exactly how you want it. Additional treble, bass, balance. Reverse camera. You'll notice the dashboard changing various colours, all to do with the sound or the heating system. You can change all those colours to whatever you like. Heated front seats. Of course, dual zone climate control. All the window switches there. Various drive modes. Again, that shows up on the dashboard. Sport, mid, green. Paddle shift gear change. Stereo controls. Cruise control, speed limiter. Folding mirrors. What a fabulous example. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deal. Low deposit, low monthly payments, and apply direct off our website. Quick and easy. Specialist cars, we make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website to make sure you don't miss out. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked, but at least the car is secure for you. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. Read about our raving fans reviews and they understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Our phone number again, it's 01782 822 700. If you don't want to miss this absolutely incredible spec, outstanding condition, Mini Clubman John Cooper Works.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.